Another example of calculating the density, a lead sphere of radius 2 centimeter weighs 352 grams. Determine the density of the lead. Now children, to calculate the density, which two physical quantities are required? Yes, mass and volume. But as you can see in the numerical, volume is not given. Only mass is given as 352 grams. You have to calculate the volume from the given data. Now what is the data given here? Radius. And what shape is of the object? What is the shape of the object? That is a sphere. So you have learnt that volume of the sphere, if you have to calculate, you have to apply this formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius. Radius is already given. So here we apply 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. R cube it is. So it comes out to be cube. And finally this is the answer you are getting. Now this you need not convert into decimal or into a mixed fraction, because this you will be using in the another formula to calculate the density. Hence, for the density of the lead, now we apply simple formula, mass upon volume. Mass is this, volume is given this. Finally you get the answer in gram per centimeter cube. So did you understand? For density you require two physical quantities, mass and volume. If volume is not given, then related to it some other data will be given from which you will be calculating the volume depending upon the shape of the object. Next numerical, a wooden cube. Now see here, it's a cube. What is the formula for the volume of a cube? Side cube, that is length into length into length, or you can say breadth into breadth into breadth, anything. So a wooden cube of side 10 centimeter weighs 800 grams. Determine the density of the wood in kg per meter cube. Now they are asking you to calculate in which unit of density? SI. So mass of the wood is given 800 grams, but volume is not given in the question. The data given here is that they are given one side length. Length of one side is given in the cube. And side of the wooden cube A is 10 centimeter. Now formula for volume is A cube, where A stands for the side of a cube. Okay. So you apply a 10 into 10 into 10 centimeter, 1000 centimeter cube, and now simply the formula, density is equal to mass upon volume. Now in which unit you are getting this density? Gram per centimeter cube. But in which unit we want? Kg per meter cube. So what we do? Right? We apply the formula. Which formula? 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So therefore 0.8 into 1000, that's why the multiplication, and finally you get the answer in kg per meter cube. So I hope children, now you must be understanding that for calculating the density, two variables or two physical quantity, mass and volume, are required. If volume is not given, related to it some other data will be given, and you have to apply another formula first to calculate the volume of the object, and then simply you apply the formula for the density.